Hello everyone, this is Sakshi Shirge and this is my DMW mini project which is age and gender prediction. My project is a age and gender prediction system. This is the program which is able to take the images of a person, understand better face of a person and detect the face, and then passes to the machine learning algorithm to detect the gender and approximate age of that person. It's a simple application which is able to detect the gender and age of person. For the gender prediction, we use the two nodes to indicating the two classes, male and female class. For the age prediction, we use the audience data set has 8 classes divided into the following age group, that is the 0 to 2, 4 to 6, 8 to 12, 15 to 20, 25 to 32, 38 to 43, 48 to 53, 60 to 100. For the project code tutorial, code can be divided into the 4 parts: detect the faces, detect gender, detect age, and display the output of this project. This is the output file of the project. It shows the male and female and the approximate age. Then we see the actual code of the object of that program. This is the code of this project. Here I first download the dataset file, then I run the actual code. In this actual file, here first I import the OpenCV libraries, that is the CV2, and then I import the libraries math and time. Then for the detect the face, here I use the get face box function. Here we will see use the DNN face detector for the face detection. Face detection is done using the function get face box function. For the then here we use the net.forward function. This is the net.forward function. This method is detected the number of faces. If one face is detected, it go to the forward to the next frame. So this function store all the data in the detection variable. After that, we run the for loop until the rectangle are drawn. The for loop for generally rectangle detect the faces, and then we use the then we use these files. We are assigning the two variable. You can see here each model come with the two files. First is a weight file and the second is a model file. Prototext file, it is a weight file for training the data and store the data of the deployment object model. Cafe model is a store the actual prediction of this model. So here we take the three models, that is the face detection model, age detection model, and gender detection model. Then we use the for the age and gender detection, we use the blob from image. In this function, we pass the two parameter for the RCB. For the crop the images and model mean value, it change the RCB channel and bring them the base value. Then we show the output of this project. The first images is read using the IMRead function. So it show the it is a male and age is between to 25 to 32. Then we see the second input file. Also it is a read using the IMRead function. The single image detect the male and the age, approximate age of this person. Then we read the third image. This is male and this is the fourth file which is a female and age is between to 15 to 20. The result of this project, we saw about the images and the network is able to predict the gender and age to high level of accuracy. Thank you so much.